Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Deriv Tradingview on phone. Open the Deriv app, tap Charts, then select TradingView Overlay to begin. Start by choosing an asset and time frame, then add indicators from the TradingView menu. Use pinch to zoom and swipe to scroll through historical data. Save your layout so you can load it quickly on future sessions without rebuilding your workspace. Use the toolbar to switch between candlesticks, line, and other chart types for clear price action. Tap indicators to customize periods or colors and watch the chart update instantly. For drawing, press and hold a tool to move or extend lines precisely with your finger. Adjust timeframes quickly by tapping the timeframe selector, and remember to save templates for fast reuse across different trading sessions on your. To place a trade, tap the trade button on the chart to open your Deriv ticket with price prefilled. Choose position size in lots or currency and set stop loss and take profit levels to protect capital. Review order type and leverage, then confirm to submit. Monitor the trade with the integrated chart and modify stops or close the position directly from the interface for quick adjustments on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.